This repair video for the P0141 error code is specifically tailored for Toyota drivers. If your Toyota is showing up P0141 code, this is for you. This error code indicates that there is a problem with the heater circuit for the downstream O2 sensor, the one located after the catalytic converter on bank 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, blown fuse, faulty ECM. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.